大家好, hello everyone, welcome to the episode 6 of this video course. In this lesson, you are going to learn how to pronounce the fourth group of Chinese initials, which are T, T, C. Let's see them. G, T, C. It seems that the first and second sound have the same sound. G, T, it seems that they have similar sound. But today, we are going to see their differences and the methods you can use to master the pronunciation. First one, G. The simplest way that you can use to master it is just the way we pronounce G in English language. Just like when we read A, B, C, D, E, F, G, E, F, G, G. That is just it. G. Then another method, if it's difficult for you, you can use the word Jeep, 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 to record the sound. Then, if it's still difficult for you, put the tip of your tongue at the back of your lower teeth. Let the blade of your tongue slide gently to the front part of the hard palate and then make the sound. Let's try it together. G, G. Remember, we are using E to 3 of these initials to pronounce them. G, because we said that initials cannot stand alone, so they need one simple finals to stand. They must have simple finals to be meaningful. So right here, we are making use of E to 3 of these initials so that we can understand their pronunciations. So G, remember, either you use G in English alphabet or G in Jeep. That's just the simplest way to master this sound. The second one also have that same method, but the only difference is while making this sound, there must be strong airflow from your mouth. T, G, T. There must be a strong airflow. That is the differences. G, T. Just like when you want to say cheese, cheese in English language, CH word. But here, there must be a strong airflow from your mouth. Then the last one is C. C is also simple. Is that you use C in xylophone, XI in English language, C, to record this sound, or you put the tip of your tongue, that is, allow the tip of your tongue to approach. It will approach your lower teeth. It will approach it without touching it, and then make the sound with a little airflow. Little. See, the tip of your tongue will approach that lower part of your teeth, that lower button, without touching it. See, it will not touch the teeth. It will only approach the bottom part. See, beautiful. Let's see some of the examples. The Chinese word for vowel is G. The second one, which is T. The Chinese word for 7 is T. While the C, the Chinese word for West, is C. That is why when we talk about Western people, we can say Si Fan Ren. So every country has Western part. So Si Fan Ren. Today we have learned how to pronounce the fourth group of the Chinese initials. In our next lesson, we are also going to see how to pronounce the fifth group of Chinese initials. See you next time in our next video course. Goodbye. Bye.